stuff. I'm Matt, and today I'm reviewing the ART Spiderjack 3. The Spiderjack is a double rope technique mechanical ascender. It comes with a swivel on it, and to install it, you take the handle all the way out, the shoe all the way back, pass it through the cam area, and take it to the pulley. The Spiderjack comes with two or three cams actually, and is a very powerful has very powerful slack tending. So much that when I install this on, put this on, I can just hold it through like that. Slack out. It's done. And to descend, you're gonna want to use the shoe rather than the handle to descend. Press the shoe in all the way, pressing the handle, and the shoe, and then the handle, and just let the shoe down. Because this here is meant to be for this. If you use the handle when you descend, you're gonna wear it out. Whereas when you use this is a $40 replacement. One thing to warn about the Spiderjack is it really lacks friction. You're gonna descend fast. I'm using a double braided rope. I mean a 16 stranded rope right now with no crotch, no cambium protector. So I like that better because there is more friction in the system. Overall, for the price, it's a great piece of equipment. Very powerful, nice and convenient. I'd recommend getting it.